To kick things off, let's look at the core of the project, the payroll management system, developed by Daniel Felipe Hernandez and Juan Sebastián Martín Ortiz. This is a comprehensive C# Windows Form application. It has been designed specifically to automate salary calculations and drastically improve HR efficiency. Over the next few minutes, we will look at a strategic overview of how this payroll calculator software operates. Moving on to user experience, the system's features a modern interface design. As you can see from the interface of the system, the application implements a high contrast dark theme using a dark gray backgrounds, specifically RGB 1313 to provide optimal readability and the modern aesthetic label. For typography, we choose CUI to maintain a professional, native Windows look. The user's interface is straightforward, requiring just their clean inputs. The employee name, empleado, hours worked, hours or horas trabajadas, and hourly rate, pago por horas. Finally, layout is encouraged to highlight visible, color-coded colors and blue, calculate button and red clear button. At the heart of the application is financial logic engine. The system automatically processes 3 core financial variables to determine the net payout of each employee. First, it calculates the gross salary by multiplied hours by the hourly rate. Following this, the system applies 10 mandatory discounts. The final net salary is complete using the firm gross means of the gross, which mathematically can be expressed as. This ensures that education acquire is completely automated and error-free. A great application must be resilient, which is why we focus heavily on system reliability. We have implemented robust exception management using a try-catch book that intercepts invalid numeric inputs, such as a user accidentally typing letters into the numeric fields and successfully reverts application crashes. With this happens, an integrated message book system immediately provides feedback, alerting them that non-numeric data was entering in the hours of pay files. Additionally, to optimize the data life cycles, the dedicated clear first resets all 4 fields instantly and focus the cursors right back to the name file, making the system ready for the next entry without extra clicks.
Slide 5, technical structure, feature script. Now let's look under the hood at the technical structure. The architecture relies on 3 main software engineering pillars. Partial classes, the code is cleanly split into logic using form and CS and UI. Definition in designers is ease. This operation on concerns ensures much better maintainability. Event-driven architecture, the system relies entirely on events, genders. Specifically, click events to trigger the financial calculations dynamically the moment a user interacts with the buttons. That brings us to the end to the overview for the Payroll Calculator project by 10. Thank you very much for much attention during this HR technical presentation. I would now like to open up the floor and deny questions you may have about the system, overmain, or the deployment.